Dear healthcare colleague, my name is Kevin Kawchak, and I'm the founder CEO of ChemicalQDevice. Today is May 11th, 2023 for quantum computers and quantum simulators for healthcare algorithms. Several emerging quantum computing technologies pose benefit for medical software. First, gate-based superconducting qubit platform, platforms are often theoretically the most powerful type of quantum technology and are improving in hardware fidelity. IBM installed the first quantum computer of this type at Cleveland Clinic in March 2023. In addition, Google obtained less error rate for a quantum computer with more qubits when compared to a smaller system in February 2023. Also, OQC became the first quantum hardware company in Europe to provide its technology on AWS Braket. Secondly, ion trap quantum computers have consistently shown the highest performance versus other modalities when running small quantum algorithms. IonQ plans to open the first quantum computing manufacturing facility in the US first half of 2024. Quantinuum, which is related to Honeywell, ran the largest GHZ entangling algorithm thus far in May 2023. Additionally, AQT received 2.5 million euros for their trapped ion technologies in October 2022. Thirdly, quantum hardware technologies based on photonics, neutral atom, and silicon spin qubits have also demonstrated performance upgrades. Xanadu achieved quantum advantage in June 2022. New photonics and electronics packages were utilized for neutral atom in April 2023, while CEMS researchers published developments regarding silicon spin error correction in August 2022. Quantum simulators continue to be a primary computing method by researchers utilizing medical data due to their ability to process quantum circuits noise-free on CPUs and GPUs. Although simulators tend to be slow and have a limited number of qubits, quantum computing companies typically employ multiple simulators serving specific purposes. IBM Qiskit has 12 quantum simulators for state vectors, density matrices, and unitary matrices. Xanadu PennyLane's default.qubit, default.mixed, and lightning.qubit are commonly used for optimizations, simulating noisy circuits, and for stochastic expectation values. AWS Braket's higher tier DM1, SV1, and TN1 simulators can process many concurrent tasks for shorter runtimes. Google TensorFlow Quantum can utilize the Cirq simulator or the high-performance C++ QSIM simulator with gate fusion. References are available in the comments below. Have a productive rest of your day.